The smaller STN 4, 6 and 10 magnetically driven centrifugal pumps are close-coupled mag drive units manufactured in polypropylene, or PVDF. They feature a very simple injection-molded construction, reducing the need for maintenance and spare parts. Stripping down the small STN is a relatively simple process. However, when stripping down any pump, it is important to make sure that it is clean and free from all contaminants. Firstly, we need to remove the bolts from the front of the pump. And then remove the casing. Occasionally the shaft will come out with the casing, so make sure to remove it straight. Next, we remove the shaft by simply pulling gently. The impeller and the internal magnet come out as one piece. Finally, we remove the O-rings and the isolation shell. Inside the isolation shell is the axial thrust. Be aware, as this is a fragile ceramic. These are all the components of the small STN. To put the pump back together, replace the axial thrust in the shaft, taking care to align the anti-rotation elements. There is also an anti-rotation element in the isolation shell. When it's in place, the shaft will not turn. Place that into the lantern. When replacing the impeller and magnet, you need to ensure that the thrust ring on the front of the impeller is in place and in good order. Mag drive pumps use heavy-duty magnets, so be aware of the magnetic pull when replacing these components. Replace the O-ring. We advise replacing the O-ring during any repair or service. The hole in the lantern is a drain, and this always faces the bottom of the pump. Simply replace the casing and the nuts and bolts and tighten as required. When tightening the nuts and bolts, ensure to tighten across the pump and not rotational.